Go, Zoo.
We also have the Fight Department. www.fightdepartment.com. Selling such popular brands as Tapa, Warrior Wear, Sprawl, Montu, Gamers, and Vulcan. Then last but not least, we have Secret Mats. Simply the best mats in the business.
Executive Advance Lightweight. Following winners are third place, Morrison Butler. And second place, Team Bolívar, Robert Cipriano. And coming first, Team Bolívar, Chris Smith.
Good, Zoo. Up, up. Hey.
Nice.
Pressure, Zoo. Heavy hip here, same as last fight, Zoo. Heavy hip here, start to switch your head. Switch your head, Zoo. Come on, keep coming, Zoo. Keep coming.
Please give me a word here.
Zoo, we're up 2, okay? Smart game.
Derek Munaz, come to the awards here.
Zoo, real smart game here, okay? Up 2, stay, keep pressure. Press, 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 press.
Patrick Miller.
Hey, Zoo.
Yeah.
Zoo.
Shiva. James Smith, come to the awards here.
No, no.
Strong on your feet, Zoo. All right, smart game here.
On the way to 102 Grandview Avenue.
Good.
It's the chimney company. Chimney cleaner.
Good. Stay in your stance, Zoo.
Thank you.
Dominica, please give me the awards here.
Stay in your stance. All right, come on.
Rippers, please give me the awards here.
Yep, there it is. Perfect, Zoo. Pass, Zoo. Pass, pass, pass.
Hey, all right.
4, Zoo. 4-0. We got about 4 minutes left. Zoo, stay heavy on top, man. Come on, you're up 4.
Let's get a takedown. Let's go.
Double hoist again, Zoo. That's your game. There's 1.
This is for Marines and
He's tired. 3:30 back. You gotta go.
Double hoist, Zoo. Doubles. Play your game. Stay into your game. Don't adapt to anything else.
And winner is
Yeah, there's 1.
Triple T. Give it up for Derek Munaz.
Perfect. That's 2.
Come on, Luke, you're tonight.
2.
Come back at the knee.
Same game, Zoo. Mount, Zoo. Pressure, Zoo. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Heavy. Perfect. Zoo, you got about 240 left. Keep passing. Big O. Omar. Hey, Omar, you in this division too or another one? This one too?
He's a fucking
Yeah, Zoo, heavy Zoo, press, 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 press. Get the 3. Perfect, Zoo. Zoo, keep pressure, man.
In third place, West Point, James Smith.
Good shit.
In second place, Shark Tank, Miguel Cuevas. And
Nice.
taking it first, Patrick Miller.
Zoo, elbow to the floor, elbow to the floor. Zoo, push it across your head and arm if you want. Zoo, pressure, Zoo, right hand on the armpit. Stay smart here. Minute 45, Zoo. Stay smart. Respect his game, Zoo. Stay smart and keep good pressure. Zoo, clear that knee. Exactly. Let's go. Stay heavy. Always maintain pressure, Zoo, okay? You got a minute and a half left. You're doing great. Zoo, put it across his face, head and arm. All right, pass right to the other side now, Zoo. Come on, do that knee cut we work. Yeah, go, 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 go.
Nice.
Get heavy, Zoo. Lay flat. Zoo, head down, lay flat. Zoo, head down, lay flat. Zoo, keep the pressure.
55 seconds left.
Keep the pressure, Zoo. You're almost there. Keep the pressure. Nice.
Yeah.
Good job, Zoo.